In the midst of our academic pursuits, let us not overlook a fundamental truth: the profound connection between diet and mental health. What we eat fuels not only our bodies but also our minds. Nutritional psychiatry is an emerging field revealing how our dietary choices impact our mood and mental well-being. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, for example, are not merely good for the heart but are also linked to reduced rates of depression. Additionally, the gut-brain axis presents a fascinating narrative of communication between our digestive systems and mental states. The microbiome in our intestines may influence everything from our stress levels to our thought processes, making balanced, mindful eating an essential component of mental fitness. As we navigate the complexities of college life, let us be mindful of the sustenance we choose. A well-nourished body can be the vessel of a well-nourished mind, enabling us to reach the zenith of our intellectual and emotional capacities.
In this talk, I want to emphasize the importance of lifelong learning, a journey that extends beyond the confines of traditional education. In a world that is constantly evolving, the pursuit of knowledge is a never-ending process. Lifelong learning keeps us relevant and adaptive. As technology and societal norms change, continuous learning enables us to stay updated and skilled. For instance, learning new languages or technological skills opens up opportunities in a globalized job market. Furthermore, lifelong learning enhances personal growth. It's not just about career advancement. It's about broadening our horizons, understanding diverse perspectives, and cultivating a more fulfilling life. The pursuit of knowledge shouldn't end at graduation. Lifelong learning is a key to not only professional success but also personal enrichment. Let's embrace this journey with enthusiasm and curiosity. Today, I'm excited to shed light on the often overlooked yet vital role of microbes in our ecosystem and health. Microorganisms, though invisible to the naked eye, play an essential role in maintaining the balance of life on Earth. Microbes, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi, are everywhere, in soil, water, air, and even within our bodies. In the environment, they are crucial for processes like decomposition and nutrient cycling, essentially recycling life's essential elements. For instance, soil microbes break down organic matter, releasing nutrients that plants need to grow. In our bodies, microbes contribute significantly to our health. The human microbiome, the collection of all microorganisms living in and on our bodies, is essential for digestion, protecting against pathogens, and even regulating our immune system. Recent studies have shown that a diverse microbiome is linked to better health and can prevent certain diseases.
In today's lecture, I would like to explore the interconnection between ecology and economics through the lens of ocean conservation. The health of our oceans is not just an ecological concern, it is intrinsically linked to the economic stability of communities worldwide. Sustainable fishing practices ensure the longevity of marine life, which in turn supports the livelihoods of millions who rely on the sea's bounty. Moreover, marine ecosystems play a crucial role in regulating our climate. By protecting our oceans, we are investing in natural capital that offers returns in the form of climate resilience, which is essential for economic planning and development. As we venture into our various fields of study, let us remember that the principles of conservation and economics are not adversaries but allies. It is in this synergy that solutions for a prosperous and sustainable future lie. As we embark on this intellectual voyage, let us turn our gaze to the microscopic universe that thrives within and all around us, the microbial world. These microorganisms are the unsung heroes of our planet, essential to the Earth's life cycles. They are not merely passengers in the journey of life, they are its engineers, facilitating processes from digestion in our bodies to nutrient cycling in the oceans. Furthermore, the study of microbes opens a window to biotechnology's potential, offering solutions to pressing problems like waste management and sustainable energy. The power of microorganisms is harnessed in bioreactors to clean our water and in the soil to enhance agricultural productivity. As we stand at the threshold of our careers, let's acknowledge the profound impact of these tiny, yet mighty organisms. By exploring and understanding the microbial world, we can unlock secrets to both sustaining and enhancing life on our planet. Let's dive into this miniature cosmos, for even the smallest life forms hold keys to the grandest of questions.